Welcome back to another video on the use of ArcGIS for COVID-19 door-to-door testing. We've now moved on into the interface of the Workforce dispatcher who can assign home addresses to the door-to-door test team for them to visit. So far I've only allocated assignments for a small section of our map. So let's zoom into this area to see how the assigning of addresses is done. I can drag a square across the map to select addresses from that data set that I created in the previous video, which have the survey form attached to it. And if I click select all here and create an assignment, it lets me mark them as testing door-to-door type of assignments. And you can see that all of these addresses on Rainbow Drive can be given a certain person. So I'll select myself as the field tester to conduct testing at these addresses. And you can tag them with a level of priority, a due date if needed, and time, and even an ID and description. So if I go ahead and create these assignments, it will add them to this panel on the left, which is a list of all the addresses that I've created assignments for. And these can be sorted by their status, their due date, and their level of priority, and also whom they've been assigned to within the testing team. And you can also manually scroll through the list to, for example, see which assignments are critical for conducting testing at right now. So if I just zoom out a lot right now, you can see that on this dispatcher map, you can track the live location of all of your field workers or your testers. And since this is all fictional, I'm the only field worker in the map right now. But it's important to note that as your door-to-door team conducts their tests throughout the day, their progress is automatically updated onto this map through the symbology of the assignments. So let's zoom in again to this area. So the symbology indicates the status of each assignment. The gray dots have not been assigned to anyone, but an assignment has been created for it. The gray with white dots have been assigned to someone on the testing team, but not yet completed. And then the green with white dots are in progress, and the fully green dots are fully completed. So these two can be used to distinguish between, for example, PCR and antigen tests. So the antigen tests are quick and the results become available within 15 minutes. So these can be recorded by the test team out in the field and marked as completed. Whereas for PCR tests, the outcome will have to be updated at a later point by a lab worker. So the field worker can leave it as marked in progress. They can also indicate that assignments have been declined, for example, when no one was opening the door at a given address. And similarly, assignments can be paused or cancelled. And the statuses of these assignments update as soon as the tester makes a change to it. And in the next video, I'll demonstrate how they can do that out in the field on their mobile devices. Thanks for watching.